Hey everyone, this is your insurance attorney Anthony Lopez from Marinol Hayek Lopez and Martinez, and today we're going to be talking about can I get more than my policy limits from the insurance company? That's a great question, and it's a very complex question because the answer is not easy. So, for purposes of discussing the question and breaking it down, I think it's important we focus on homeowners residential claims, okay? Because as all of you know, there's different types of insurance. There's auto, there's commercial, there's boat. So let's just focus on, for purposes of this question, residential homeowners claims. So if you look at what's called your declarations page of your policy, which is typically the first page, you'll notice it says in big black bold letters, the top center typically, declarations page. And underneath it, it'll have specific coverages allocated based on your premium. And next to each coverage amount will be a letter. So let's talk about coverage A, because that's the most typical coverage that homeowners are dealing with. What is coverage A? Well, first of all, coverage A deals with the dwelling. In other words, this is the amount of coverage that your policy provides for damages to the home, the dwelling, the structure itself. Next to coverage A, there'll be an amount. Depending on how expensive your home is, the number will be higher or lower. But let's, for purposes of an example, use the coverage amount of $200,000. So my clients will sometimes ask me, say, Anthony, my gosh, the insurance company's been dragging me through the mud. It's been 3 years. They denied coverage, or they didn't pay me enough money. I want to go after them for more than the policy limits. In Florida, there's a mechanism that allows you to do that. And essentially, what you have to do is file what's known as a civil remedy notice, okay? And a civil remedy notice is actually something that you can access online yourself. You can type in Google Florida Civil Remedy Notice, and you'll be taken to a website where you can set up a username and password. And basically, you yourself can fill out your information, your policy number, your date of loss, your home address, and you can tell the state of Florida exactly what the insurance company did to you. So once this civil remedy notice is filed, the insurance company then has the opportunity to respond to it. But the important thing is the filing of the civil remedy notice, because no matter what the insurance company responds, the filing of the civil remedy notice is what is the condition precedent. In other words, the thing that you have to do before you can ever hope to go after your insurance carrier beyond policy limits. There's another thing that has to happen before you can go after your insurance carrier for beyond policy limits. So after this filing of the civil remedy notice, you then have to file a lawsuit, or have to win your underlying lawsuit for the damages that were sustained by your home. What does that mean? Because it sounds very complicated. So in other words, if your insurance company wrongfully denied your claim or didn't pay you enough money, you have to have sued them and won and had your civil remedy notice filed. And then after those two things happen, you can then pursue your carrier for damages beyond your policy limits. There are a lot of hoops to jump through. The state legislature didn't make it easy, but this is something that we deal with at my office, and we're familiar with it. We deal with it all the time. We will file civil remedy notices for our clients to set the cases up so that when we do prevail, our clients have the option to go after the carrier for beyond policy limits. I know this was a complex segment. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us. Share, like, comment, and feel free to email or call us with any questions. Again, I'm your insurance attorney, Anthony Lopez. Have a great day.